good morning. Today is Tuesday. Lalabas na naman ako kasi meron akong papuntahan po. Merong papuntahan for a future po. Okay guys, ito pala yung outfit ko. Ipakita ko pala sa inyo. Yan, yung bigkas. Huwag masyadong mabilis kasi yung pag magsalita ng mabilis ay hindi masyadong maintindihan. Okay. Ito po yung outfit ko. Ipakita ko po sa inyo. Ito yung outfit ko, guys. Naka-wearing all black, guys. And then later only I use for my white shoes, same like yesterday. And then yeah, simple. And then I wearing my iWatch, yeah, because I doing exercise, you know this, yeah, I know, you know that, yeah. So when I know that my cholesterol, how many cholesterol I burn, so. And I wearing this my bag, yeah, I wearing this my bag, yeah. Sometimes I'm wearing this, but now I like to wear this. So yeah, it's my bag, guys. Very small, too small, cute. Yeah, it's very cute, this bag. Look. So see you later, guys. Park pala dito, guys. May raming taong nagpamanicure dito. Yan ang museum namin, guys. O, nakapasok na ako dyan. Kita mo ba yung museum namin? Wala ang pigeon. Pigeon, kaban sa litson. Yan pala yung ano namin, guys, yung city hall namin. Ay, naghahanap ako ng taxi. Just 20 seconds, see? Grabe ka. Loading and unloading, 20 seconds only. Pag malapas ka ng 20 seconds. Hello guys, I'm walking. I am walking here on the highway. Yeah, I'm walking. See you there. Hello guys, ipakita ko po sa inyo kung paano maglinis. Pag ganito yung carpet nyo, yung buhok nyo, hindi nyo alam nandito na pala yung buhok nyo. So tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano maglinis gamit nito, at saka kuwaon din niya ang buhok, guys, gikan diri sa carpet. Kani basta ingon ani nga klase ng carpet, kinahanglan kini nga brush ang imong gamiton. Okay guys, makita ko po sa inyo kung paano siya mag-work.
sinasak yung labi ng ganito yung carpet. Yung binabrush nyo talaga. Pag brush ang gamit nyo, perfect talaga. Makukuha talaga yung buhok. Hindi ko kailangan yung vacuum na, see, tingnan nyo guys, nakuha yung buhok niya. See, nakuha niya. Hindi ko kailangan yung vacuum na, yung machine, kasi ito naman yung carpet.
Isa lang. So, at saka yung floor, eh, hindi na kailangan ng babacuumin kasi ginamit ko walis lang. So, that's it. Important yung buhok. Dito sa carpet, ginaganito. Pag ganito ko, ina-idea kong ganito kasi talagang makuha yung buhok galing sa carpet. Kinukuha niya talaga. Binabacuum niya. See, wala na siya guys.
Yung ano niya guys, yung brush mo, ganunin mo lang, tsaka makukuha na yung mga buhok guys. So, tingnan niyo po. Tingnan niyo po yung buhok. Buhok galing sa carpet, see? Kukuha talaga yan. Hindi na kailangan mag-cause ng gamit ng electric. So, ito, ibabaki mo lang. Pag ganito yung pag ganito yung carpet mo na may buhok-buhok. Pero yung carpet na walang buhok-buhok, kailangan ng vacuum yun. Yung machine talaga yung gamitin. Okay? Pero may idea din ako kahit hindi ginagamit ng vacuum yung hindi ganito, yung ibang klaseng carpet. Binabrush ko at saka with sabon.
Tapos na ako naglaba. Tapos na po. Ito po yung sampay ko. Ito na po yung sampay ko guys. Tapos na. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark. You between my arms. Barefoot on the ground. Listening to our favorite song. When you said you loved me, I whispered underneath my bed. Learning that you are perfect. I found a stronger than anyone I know. I share my dreams of someday. I share a home. I found a love to carry more than just my soul. To carry love, to carry children of our home. There is the good soul and fighting against all odds. I know that we're alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my guide, I be your man. I see my future baby, I'm dancing in the dark. You between my arms. Barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in the past, looking so beautiful, I told me, sir, getting you Muna ako ang kabuling version, cover version. Guys. Okay, see you in a minute, guys. Okay, guys, thanks for watching my video, and I hope that my tip that how to clean this carpet, this kind of carpet, yeah, and I hope can help this one, and then I hope you like my video, and please subscribe my video guys. And minsan struggling tayo mag-English. Yeah, yung English ko talaga hindi perfect. So I try my best, you know. Bahalag nagkamamo lang ang English na to guys. See you guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Okay, bye. Bye bye guys. Bye.